Earth Day is right around the corner, and maybe you're looking for some ways to leave a good imprint on Mother Nature and Mother Earth. Well, one of those ways you can do that is with the beauty products that you use to make sure that they are safe for the environment. Our friend Mickey Williams is back with us today to talk about some buzzwords, because I feel like when it comes to, Earth Day, you hear certain terms a lot: sustainability, animal-friendly, eco-friendly. Break these down for us, Mickey. What do they all mean? What do we need to look for if we do want to do things right when it comes to Earth?
Well, making any stride towards being gentler to Earth and its inhabitants is always best, right? But if you're looking for like animal-friendly products, that's really just truly they're not testing on animals. They're probably testing on humans, which will say, okay. That could be the simplest stride you could make, just being kinder to the Earth. But then you find, eco-friendly. Is it, our CO2 emissions? Are we taking more out of the Earth to make these products than we're releasing and putting back into the Earth? So we have to think about that. Is it eco-friendly? Also, is it sustainable? Sustainable is a really interesting word, because sustainable means, are we taking out more than we're giving back? And if so, are we hurting any of the inhabitants or the surviving communities? Think about when we cut down trees. Are we taking out tribal villages? But also, sustainable really has a focus on leaving a better Earth for those that are left, our future generations to come. So depending upon how, incredibly advanced you want to get with your kind of initiative to being better to Mother Earth, it's kind of great because we have a little bit of something for everyone.
I like that. You're making it easy for us, Mickey. Where do we begin today? Because I know you've got some great suggestions that fit this bill.
Well, one of these new products that I've come across, which is just really amazing, is a brand called Bybee, okay? And Bybee has a strawberry booster facial treatment. Now, this is $9.99. You can get it at Target. This is 100% strawberry seed oil that is upcycled from the juicing industry, okay? So all that leftover juice that's left behind, they're extracting the ingredients they need out of that, and they're repurposing it. It also has, glass-printed bottles that have a biodegradable plant-based ink on them. There's no sticky single-use labels. Also, Bybee is carbon neutral. And in 2021, they're really kind of examining all of their products to really become to see how much carbon footprint each one of these products is leaving. But their goal is to become the world's first carbon negative beauty brand by 2025. So and they're already using 100% green energy now, primarily wind and solar power. So it's an incredible brand, but I just want to let you know the product alone is stunning. So if you are looking, you don't have to sacrifice by getting a product that isn't necessarily going to work for you. The Strawberry Booster Facial Treatment is a voyage. It is a fabulous product. So, and it's $9.99. So I love that brand.
Good price tag, good product. Okay, I know you've got a few more that we want to make sure and get in there for us too today.
Now, TerraCycle. TerraCycle has been around for a while. So you're going to see a lot of brands that partner with TerraCycle. One of the brands who's really just kind of amped up their game is Schwarzkopf. And they have two products that I think that a lot of us typically don't think we can recycle. So first off, they have their Schwarzkopf Simply Color. This is a hair color line. And when you think about hair color, you don't normally think it's something that you could recycle. But this is gentle, permanent hair color. It's free of ammonias, alcohol, silicone. It contains argan oil, botanical oat milk, soy protein. This is 100% gray coverage and even color from root to tip. You're going to get that even color. And they partnered with Schwarzkopf, and you're going to go to TerraCycle.com/Schwarzkopf-color, and you're going to be able to get a free label to send this back. You're going to use your own box, and they're going to be able to take care of that for you. And then another product that they have, another line is Got to Be. And Got to Be is really an incredible line. First of all, I love this product because this is the 2-in-1 glued spray wax. It is so cool, Natalie, because it has this little lid right here. You see it? Mm-hmm. This will let you go from a really cool soft spray, or if you want to get those beach waves, or if you want more of a structured hold for your husband or yourself, you just twist the tube. You know how you can twist it to turn it off? So you get the kind of intensity that you want by using that. But what I love about this is you typically wouldn't think this can could be recycled. But again, partnered with TerraCycle, and they went there, and you can go to TerraCycle.com/Schwarzkopf, and then aerosol, and you're going to be able to, again, take this product and put it back into recycling, efforts to where it's being better for us. So we really haven't seen a ton of products like this and a lot of partnerships. So when you see a brand like Schwarzkopf really jumping on and creating this kind of portal to make their products better for our environment, you're like, hallelujah.
Speaking of hallelujah, real fast, we only have seconds left, by the way. I do see you've got tennis shoes behind you. I think that was probably purposely done. I don't think you just left them out by accident.
No, the number one sustainable trend right now are sneakers, and this actually is nothing new because there is 100% nothing new on the sneaker. It is 100% post-consumer recycled materials, and they created a better canvas, which is actually going to change the world of canvas. It's incredible.
Those are cool. They look good, too. Mickey, thank you for being with us. I'm really glad you were able to help us really focus on Earth Day, which is coming up. Take care, okay? We will.